Welcome everyone to my mythological video. Travel with me back in time to ancient Egypt, one of the most powerful and inspirational empires of the ancient world. Today's video is about feline goddesses. In ancient Egypt, cats were worshipped as gods. One of the earliest deities of ancient Egypt was the goddess Mafdet, who was highly revered by people seeking protection against venomous animals like snakes and scorpions. She was shown with a variety of fierce feline forms, most often as a woman, with the head of a lion, cheetah, or house cat. Meow. Because cats can protect against the tiny monsters that made Egyptian homes unsafe, Mafdet was regarded as the protector of the home and of the kingdom itself. Later on in Egyptian history, the goddess Bastet replaced Mafdet as the feline goddess of choice. Like Mafdet, she was regarded as a fierce protector of the home and especially of children and royalty, largely because of her cat's renowned ability to kill snakes, scorpions, and rats. Ew. Her followers called her the Eye of Ra, the sun god, and believed that she fiercely watched the world and guarded Egypt against invasions. She was the war goddess of Lower Egypt and was also a goddess of fire, protection, pleasure, and pregnant women. She was seen as a kind goddess, though she was a war god. Sekhmet is a lion-headed goddess of war for Upper Egypt. She was also the goddess of fire, medicine, vengeance, and menstruation. Me and my sister are both goddesses of the sun. The only difference is I am the more mild, friendly heat of the sun. And I'm the more vicious one that will burn you when the sun gets hot. Ha 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 ha. Let's go ahead with this history thing. In one myth, Ra was in battle with Apep, an evil snake deity of chaos. Ra fought each sunrise against Apep with the help of his daughter, my sister, Bastet. The battle with Apep was said to disrupt the balance of the world. When Apep had the upper hand, earthquakes and storms occurred. And when he swallowed Ra, solar eclipses happened. But Ra was always cut off of Apep before the end of the day. In some renditions of the story, Bastet killed Apep. In the night, in her cat form, she can see in the dark just fine. In another myth, Ra became very angry at mankind since they did not preserve justice and balance. For punishment, he sent Hathor, which became Me, Sekhmet. I went on a rampage on them in there. Sorry to say, I got intoxicated by blood and lust and could not be stopped. So my dear Father Ra poured almost 10,000 jars of alcohol on me until I became drunk and slept for 3 days. Could you believe that? When I had awakened from my beauty sleep, I saw Ptah. Ptah is the creation god and also of fertility. I fell deeply in love with Ptah. And since I am the goddess of destruction and him creation, we both became a union that symbolizes healing and balance. Isn't that wonderful? Because cats held a special place in the hearts of their owners. The belief was that by placing cats and their owners in the same tomb, the pair could remain together in the afterlife. So when you see a cat the next time passing on the street, don't think that it's for bad luck. That's really crazy. I know people come up with a saying that when you see a black cat walking in the street in the night, that's bad luck. No, that's good luck. It's for protection. After all, that's what cats represented in ancient Egypt.